Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ever made too many customizations in Microsoft Word, and now you're stuck trying to figure out how to reset everything? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to reset customizations in Microsoft Word and get it back to its default settings. Let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Go to File and Options on Windows or Word, Preferences, a Mac. Select Customize ribbon. Click the Reset button and select Reset all customizations. Confirm with Yes, and your ribbon will be restored to its original layout. And that's it. You've successfully reset all customizations in Microsoft Word. Whether you're troubleshooting or just want a fresh start, these steps will get you back to the default settings in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.